Salty, salty.
Salty,
Oh,
salty.
shoot.
Oh, that's okay. That's
A
okay.
little less salt.
Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to 12 Days of Cookies, day 6 today. I'm hanging out with my friend Joey.
Hello, hello.
You guys know Joey. He is amazing. We've been friends for many, many years, and Joey's got some very exciting news, you guys.
Well, we both have exciting news.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do.
There is going to be an Escape the Night movie, and Rosanna is going to star in it.
I'm gonna put links down below. Joey made some really fun videos, so you guys can check it out and see.
So the movie is not officially happening.
Not yet.
We're trying to raise money to make it happen. We're about halfway to our goal.
Yes.
So if you want to check it out, you can go to the Indiegogo page and support.
Yes.
See Rosanna act in a movie.
Oh my gosh, you guys. I'll be putting the link down below, so if you would like to show support for Escape the Night, the movie.
Yes, we're trying to bring it back from the dead.
Yeah, we are. Happens a lot on this show, you guys. So Joey, the cookies that we're gonna be making
Yes, what are we making today?
They're gonna be meringue cookies, but not just any boring meringue cookies. We're gonna make them cute.
Okay, I'm
We're
down.
gonna make them look like this, Joey.
A wreath.
Yeah.
Aretha Franklin.
Yes, Aretha Franklin. That's what we're doing today. So they're gonna be cute little meringue cookies to look like a wreath.
Okay, cool.
Are you ready?
I'm gonna try and help and do my best.
Let's get started. First step to making our meringue cookies is making our meringue.
Just 4 ingredients.
Yeah, it's very simple. We're gonna add a few more for fun, but I'll be putting all of the ingredients and the measurements down below, so if you wanna make these at home, you can follow along and you can. All right, so first, we're gonna whip up our egg whites. So if you wanna unlock this.
Unlock it.
Oh,
okay.
good,
It's already unlocked.
Perfect. Then Joey, just add all the egg whites in there.
Get on in there.
Get on in there. We're gonna be making a nice, fluffy, stiff pink meringue. And then add a little salt.
Oh my God, it's so
You have
little.
to say salty, salty.
Salty, salty.
Salty,
Oh,
salty.
shoot.
Oh, that's okay. That's
A
okay.
little less salt.
I'll get it. I'm a messy
Salty,
baker.
salty.
Don't worry.
And a little bit of dust particles, you know,
Yeah.
little crumbs from last night.
Yeah, I keep it pretty clean, so we're okay here. Before we added these things, I actually wiped this bowl out with a little bit of vinegar.
And bleach.
Well,
Just kidding, not bleach.
but that is just gonna get rid of all the fat. Because usually I cream together my butters and sugars in here, and I don't want there to be any residue because the fat can mess up your meringue.
Even just that could like ruin the recipe.
Oh, meringues are finicky, so no fat. Last thing that we're gonna be adding right now, a little cream of tartar or a cream of tartar, however you wanna say it.
What is this?
It's gonna help our meringue keep its shape, keep it more stable when we're piping.
Okay.
Now, pop that down and
what
then just
speed?
start whipping it together. Low to medium
Is
to
that,
get it
is that
going.
lower medium?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
good. We're just gonna mix till little bubbles form, kind of like a bubble bath.
Yeah.
Frothy. It's a bubble bath, everybody. Joey, look at that.
That is bubblina.
Now, we're gonna slowly add our sugar while we keep mixing.
Okay.
And we're gonna mix for a while. This usually takes 5 to 8 minutes.
Oh, girl. All right.
Yeah.
Well,
So crank it
let's
on
get
and we'll start
going.
slowly adding. Joey, like this. The slower, the better.
oh.
Just slow.
I see.
Like if you put something slow speed, like when you do a hair flip really slow.
Oh, yeah,
like
yeah. Bury that.
All right, Joey, that looks good. Let's turn it off.
Oh.
Look at that peak, everybody. It's beautiful.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so when you pick up your little whisk and you see that the tip stands up on its own,
That is
perfect.
glorious.
Now we're gonna add 2 more ingredients and then we're done. A little bit of green food coloring and vanilla extract. Make sure not to overmix. We're just gonna mix together at a low speed and then any other color left over, we're gonna use a spatula. Kind of fold it in there.
Oh, this is
There we
beautiful.
go. There we go. Now I've got the piping bag with a star
It's
tip.
so light and fluffy.
Isn't it gorgeous? And then just scoop it in there. There. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Scoop, scoop. Got it. Now pull it.
Wow,
Yeah.
great teamwork.
We're gonna make a couple bags of these to make it a little bit easier. So I'm gonna
Okay.
tie this off and then I'll show you what to do.
All right, we've got it all bagged up. What do we do now, Ro?
All right, so we're gonna pipe our meringues, and to do so, in front of me, I've got a cookie sheet and a piece of parchment paper, and I've used a cookie cutter to trace out a bunch of circles onto the parchment paper. You're gonna flip it upside down, everybody, okay? We're not gonna be piping on pencil, but you can still see the design through it, and we're gonna use that as a guide.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna do all the little dots within the circle. We don't want it to be bigger than that. And this is gonna help them be a little bit more uniform. And whenever you're making cookies, you want them to be about the same size so that when they go in the oven, they all bake evenly.
Makes sense.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do one, and then you do one, okay? Put some pressure, whoop, and then lift. And then we're gonna do one at the bottom.
Oh.
Lift, just a little bit of pressure, and then you reduce the pressure and lift. So you do 4, and then you'll do 2 in between each one.
They're so pretty.
Isn't it so cute? So yeah, and then just do 2 little dollops in between each one, and you'll have a cute little cookie meringue. A cute little Wreath meringue. Look at that. Okay, Joey, give it a go. You got it, you got it. Just a little dollop, and then pull up.
Ooh.
Perfect.
Oh.
Yes. Joey, I'm so proud of you. You're making meringue cookies. And now you're gonna do this to the rest of your tray.
Okay, we're all done with the piping. Now it's time for the pretty part where we can make them actually look like wreaths.
Yeah, we're gonna be adding a little bit of decoration here, so you can do whatever you want. I'm using 2 different colors of sprinkles. Joey has got some red traditional sprinkles, and then I've got little white balls. And while the meringue, it's still wet, so it's tacky. This is perfect.
Okay.
You can just sprinkle them, and don't worry about making a mess on the tray. That's fine. So you're just gonna do this so it looks like your little wreaths are decorated. Because my wreaths over here, they have lights in them, so that's a little bit of decoration.
Oh, is that what the white balls are?
Yeah, they could be little lights. Our little meringue cookies are ready to bake, and these bake really funny, Joey. These are a very unique cookie. You're gonna heat your oven to the lowest temperature it's probably ever been at for making cookies, 225. So we're gonna cook them low and slow for 1 hour. And then when they're done baking, don't open the oven, don't peek at them. Turn off the heat in the oven and leave them in the oven to just fully dry and dehydrate for 2 more hours. So in total, it's 3 hours in the oven.
3 hours?
Yeah.
For these?
That's why if somebody makes you a homemade meringue,
Oh, they put a lot
they
of
are
time
made
in.
with
Oh,
love.
okay, that's sweet.
Even if you don't love meringues, just say thank you. If we give these to Santa,
He better be leaving me something good.
automatic nice list.
Yeah.
Even if you've been naughty all year, you make him these, and I think you'll let a lot of things fly.
No Krampus is coming when we bake
No,
those.
no cramp. He's not allowed in this house. Okay, I don't mess with his brother or whatever who he is.
Well, we got quite a bit of time on our hands, so
Yeah.
how about we go watch Krampus, then maybe you get to pick the second movie.
You guys, movie break. Perfect.
Let's go.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. While our cookies are cooling off, we're gonna make the final decoration. This is totally optional, but I feel like a wreath is not complete without a bow.
That dress is so cute, by the way.
This is actually my friend Lindsay Sterling's dress. You know who plays the violin, Lindsay?
Yes.
It's adorable, you guys.
So what do we gotta do to make these?
So you've got those sour ropes, right?
Yeah.
Then we're gonna cut it in half like here.
Yep.
Then cut it in half again.
Okay.
Then cut the little pieces and make the ends of the bow.
Okay.
Press it down because it's really tacky, it's sticky once you cut it. Then you're gonna fold in the sides to make 2 little bows. Press down one more time, flip it over, and add a little design. Let's do it.
Let's give it a try.
Okay, so we're gonna cut it in half so it's nice and fresh and tacky, and then we're gonna attempt to do these. And then you just make as many as you have cookies. There's a lot of them. Actually, we should have been doing this while we were watching a movie.
What were we thinking?
I know.
We've got 48 bows to make.
So do this while they're baking. And Joey, if you
yeah.
forget what to do, just look at my dress.
Okay.
And then you'll know.
Got it. By the way, these sour ropes are literally my favorite candies. I'm drooling on these bows.
Boom. Okay, I'm pushing that down.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it really does just stick on in there.
Yeah, it just squishes together. Okay,
One
now I'm
little
gonna do
press.
this. And then push again. Boom. There we go. Flip them over and then add this little piece on top. Okay, I just want to eat one of these. You know what? We have to test them.
I think we just need to
they're
just
okay.
make sure.
No.
You know what?
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
gonna-
Oh my gosh, that's perfect. Just like this, everybody. The eyes light up. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
It's important to taste test. Now I'm gonna brag about Joey a little bit, you guys. He created a new genre of television show that has never existed before because it's this hybrid between reality and scripted. So how did you come up with this idea?
It's kind of like playing a video game and you're interacting with NPC characters that lead the story that you're on through. So it's
Joey
just
is
like...
exactly what it's
Yeah.
like. Joey is so creative and literally created a type of show that's never existed. before.
Well, now let's make a movie together, girl.
I can't wait. Let's do it, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put a bow on it.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm just gonna keep making these bows and then we're gonna put it all together. Time for the final step. Our cookies came out of the oven. We gave them about 10 minutes to cool down. They don't need that long to cool, but the sprinkles do actually, because after they come out of the oven, they're a little squishy. So now we're gonna very delicately attach our candy bows. And we're just gonna put a little icing on the back here. And we're gonna delicately place them on top. You don't want to push them because it will break the meringue.
Is it like eyelash glue? We have to let it dry for a second.
Yeah, just delicately place. Just like that. They're so cute. Then you're going to do this to the rest of your cookies and then they're ready to enjoy. You ready for another one?
I'm ready. Cute.
Go. I'm like nice and gentle.
These are so cute.
I'm obsessed with them. And
ta-da!
Here are the Wreath Meringue cookies that we made today. I hope you guys love the recipe. They turned out so cute. I'm gonna be posting again all the ingredients and all the measurements down below and the recipes online. So if you wanna make these for the holidays, you can. And a big thank you to my friend Joey for helping me bake today.
Thanks for having me, bro.
You did really good.
Yeah, you know what? It was actually really easy. So if you think you can't do this at home, you absolutely can.
Joey, like, have you ever had a meringue before?
No, should we try it?
Okay, yes.
Okay.
So it's like a crunchy marshmallow, like if you dehydrated a marshmallow. Okay, ready?
Ooh.
Crunchy marshmallow.
You downplayed these? These are really good.
Wouldn't they be
my
so
God.
good with hot cocoa? Because like hot cocoa and marshmallows.
Oh, they could literally just float at the top
Yeah.
of your hot cocoa.
Oh yeah. These are so good, you guys. They're worth the wait. They're worth the bake.
Oh, and with the bow?
Mm-hmm. The bow, right? That little Papa Tart, just for fun. All right, that does it for 12 days of cookies. Day 6. Get ready for tomorrow. We're gonna have a new cookie and a new guest. Again, big thank you to Joey for being here and helping me bake. He's amazing. And go support Escape the Night. I'll put a link.
Bro.
Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun, you guys. Oh my gosh, you could do a holiday version in the future. Escape the holidays. Oh my gosh, could you imagine?
With Krampus.
With Krampus.
Oh my
We could have
gosh.
a Krampus
A Christmas
monster.
special. Escape the Night Christmas special.
Because you know how they did like Guardians of the Galaxy and then they do like the Christmas special of it?
No, but
They did one. So you could do it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video because we're making a lot of baking videos this month. So you don't want to miss these yummy little recipes. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here, and then you say, or up there.
Okay.
Okay.
Or up there.
Perfect, Joey. Yeah, just like that.
Go on, go. What you waiting